Howdy guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at the monochrome feature in the trace image. Just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, just a little reminder, this is a tutorial series on the trace image feature. So in the description we'll have links to a few other videos you can watch if you want to follow along with the series. So in this video we'll only be covering the monochrome mode. Welcome to watch other videos to see some other features this tool can offer. So if we just open our image quick. Now a thing about monochrome to keep in mind is basically working with values, so light and darkness, and you can kind of isolate what you want to cut based on those values. So under the modes here, if we have our monochrome selected, we've got this contrast option. Now 127 is a smack in the middle, so it's normally a very good balance. So if we update our preview here, now on the right here, we can kind of see what's it going to cut out. So based off 127, that value, I'll be cutting out all these individual shapes. Now I'm just going to set my source, show source image, so it's more one-toned, so we can see what is it cut. Now if we adjust this value to the left and right, we can see how it changes what will be cut. So if you want a bit more of an outline type cut, you can always do that, and click update preview. Now we can see it's basically only cutting all the outlines. And then again, if we set it to the right, we can see as shapes start coming in, you can go all the way where you have just a white big block. Not that you would want that, or you can kind of take it to a point where you kind of have just the eyes and the whole body is cut out. But this looks like a nice balance. So we say update preview, and then you can kind of see the individual shapes that it's going to be cutting out. So yeah, that's the basics then on the monochrome mode. We will be covering some other modes as well in future videos. Otherwise, if we just head to our website here, if you guys navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. As you can see here, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a search option here if you want to isolate your search. Then if you don't find what you're looking for, you can always say request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.